Hi guys, so today let us try this big egg balls recipe. So first I start by washing my hands. Of course I've washed my hands with soap before, but now I have to wash it with water. Then we go straight to our recipe. Now you start by adding your onions, your green bell pepper, your spring onions and your carrots to a clean bowl. After that you add your potatoes you've boiled and mashed, so you will add it to the same container. After that you'll be going in with your other spices. So for the spice we'll be using seasoning cubes, we'll be using salt, we'll be using black pepper, ginger and garlic powder, spicy pepper and parsley. So that is what we'll be using for the spices. Next you go in with your mayonnaise. You add enough mayonnaise and then you add your tomato ketchup also. And next you mix everything together and make sure to mix well. Please let us know your name and the country or state you're watching from in the comment section so that we can make a shout out to you on our next cooking video. Now we'll be going in with our breadcrumbs. So you add your breadcrumbs to it and you also mix it and mix well with other ingredients. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. If you've not subscribed, actually, please subscribe. Thank you. So now you get another bowl, you add your flour to the bowl, you add your spicy pepper and you add your parsley. So this is dirty mixture. If you don't want it like this, I also added black pepper. If you don't want it like this, you can just add your flour and then you go in with your water straight. So I added all those and I added water and I had to mix them together. But like I said, you can go in with just your flour and water, no wahala. For me, I want all this in my own what's it called, mixture. So after doing this, you set this aside, then you get all your mixtures together, all your preppings and everything, get them together. Now you are going to roll that your potato mixture into round balls. You can roll them into small balls, big balls, any of the above, but you're going to roll them into balls and set them aside because you're also going to be needing boiled egg. So for your boiled egg, after boiling the egg, hard boiled egg actually, you remove the shell and then you cut the boiled egg into two. So you divide it into two, like because like I said, this is big egg roll recipe. So yes, we would be needing that egg. So we're putting the egg in the middle inside all of this. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So after getting your eggs, you can get as many eggs as you want to get, but your egg should be the same number with your rolls. So as you can see, I'm going to have four eggs. So I'm only going to be working with four rolls because your egg has to be the same number with your rolls. So now you just add your potato roll to your egg. So you're going to add it like this and you're going to roll them up together. After that, you add your breadcrumbs and then you add it to the flour mixture we made. Then after that, you keep adding back to your breadcrumbs. The goal is actually to cover the whole thing with breadcrumbs. So that is what you're going to keep doing till you're done with everything. You're done with the whole egg. So that's what you keep doing on everything. Now, when you're done with this part, the next part is actually to fry. So, yes, back to liking, commenting, and subscribing. Please, by now, I hope you've liked. I hope you've commented and I hope you've subscribed. If you've not, please join our family, be part of our family. Please subscribe and don't just subscribe, also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video, you would be notified. And also, feel free to share this video so that it can reach one or two people and they will learn how to make this recipe too. So yeah, most times you can just feel like eating or having stuffs like this. So feel free to always come to my channel. We have so many interesting recipes. We have sandwich, we have egg lollipop, we have bread, we have potato recipes, different type of recipes. You can just go through our playlist. Yeah, so feel free to do that. So yeah, after everything, after rolling everything, now you get your pan, add oil to the pan. Once the oil is hot, you add your your egg rolls to the pan and allow it fry till it is golden brown. Then you remove it. Fry on medium heat, please. Thank you. And now this is our mixture. And if you open it like I did, you will see that the egg is in the middle and the potato mixture is also in the middle. Guys, this is yummy. Trust me. Thanks for watching. Bye.